Hey guys, Shabazz here from Adams8908. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to run your computer without hard drive. So if you guys don't have the hard drive in your computer, you guys can still run Windows on it. So today I'm going to show you guys how to do it. You guys will be able to carry a portable Windows operating system in your pocket anywhere you want. If you just want to browse contents from the internet, and if you don't want to store data, just for a time being, you guys can use this method to make a bootable Windows flash drive. So there are two different concepts altogether. One is to make a bootable Windows flash drive. So by making a bootable Windows flash drive, you guys will be able to install Windows in your machine using that flash drive. And the second is the method of making a bootable flash drive which can actually boot Windows. I mean, you guys will actually be able to boot Windows from that flash drive. So it's a kind of mini hard drive. Okay, so long story short, you guys will be able to use Windows in your machine without hard drive. So if you guys don't have the hard drive, you guys just don't have to worry about it. You guys can still work on your computer without hard drive. So without wasting any further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, you're gonna have to download an image file of operating system you want to install in a flash drive. So for Windows 10 and Windows 8, you're gonna need a flash drive which is more than 32 gigs. That's more preferable. And for Windows 7 and Windows XP, if you guys still have 16 gigs of hard drive with 16 gigs of flash drive with you, that will suffice, because that's the minimum requirement for Windows 7 and Windows XP. So basically there are two things which you guys need to get this thing done. The first is a image file for operating system you want to install in your flash drive, and the second is the flash drive itself, which is more than 32 gigs or 16 gigs, depends upon the operating system you want to install in it. So once you guys have both of these in place, you're gonna need to install a software called Win2USB. Again, the link will be down in the description. You guys can click on the link, download the setup file for Win2USB. So once you have downloaded the setup file for this software, you're gonna have to install the software in your computer, and you guys will see this icon of Win2USB on your desktop screen. Right click on the icon and click on Run as an Administrator. This box will pop up. So if you guys are using CD or DVD for this process, you're gonna have to click on the second icon here. So you guys can click on this in order to browse for a CD or DVD. Or if you guys are using an ISO image file, which I am doing in this process, so I'm gonna have to click on the first icon here, which says image to USB. If you move your cursor on it, it will be written image to USB file, as you guys can see. You're gonna have to click on this browse icon. Once you click on the browse icon, it will be asking you to locate an image file to write on your flash drive. It's actually a browser which is asking me to browse for an image file, so I'm gonna have to click on the desktop here, and this is the image file which I want to write on my flash drive. So I'm gonna have to highlight this and click on open. Now it will give me different operating system versions which are there in this image file. So I'm gonna go for the Windows Ultimate activated. Sure, the fourth one, and this is the 64-bit version, by the way. And I'm gonna click on next. It's gonna ask me to select a flash drive on which I want to install Windows. I'm gonna click on this drop down and select Sony storage media. This is my flash drive. It's asking me to format the flash drive. I'm gonna click on yes. Once I click on yes, it will start formatting my flash drive. It will take some time. You're just gonna have to wait for a few minutes. Guys, this is a lengthy process altogether. So if you guys are using USB 2.0, it may take a little bit longer. If you guys are using USB 3.0, the process will be a little bit quicker. As you guys can see, the format itself is taking a little bit longer than expected. So once the flash drive has been formatted, I'm getting two options here. So both of them have already been ticked. Now I'm gonna go to next. Once I click next, it will start writing the Windows operating system in my flash drive. So I'm gonna have to wait till the time it completes 100%. Guys, this will take a little bit longer. So please wait for the process to complete. I'm gonna stop the recording here and I'm gonna restart the recording once the process completes. So yeah, stopping the recording now.
2,000 years later.
Alright guys, so the process is complete. The Windows has written down the Windows image files into the flash drive there, and I'm gonna restart my computer because okay, so I'm gonna show you guys the flash drive is full. This is the flash drive, and as you guys can see, there's only 458 megabytes of memory which is remaining in the flash drive. Rest of all has been occupied by the operating system. So I'm gonna have to restart the computer now. So I will be restarting the computer, and I will be shutting down the computer. I'm gonna unplug the hard drives which are there in my computer, and I am going to boot with the flash drive. And this might be the first time boot for my computer from the flash drive. So I'm going to show you guys the BIOS screen so that you guys can see whether there are hard drives installed in my computer or not. So yeah, shutting down the computer and switching the camera to my phone. Alright guys, so I have restarted my computer into the BIOS screen to show you guys that I don't have any hard drives installed in my computer. So I'm going to go to the boot section, and I'm going to show you the drives which are installed in my computer. So let me just go to the hard drive BSS properties and show you the drive which is connected to my computer. So as you guys can see, I only have got one drive which is connected to my computer, and that's the flash drive on which I have installed Windows 7. So as you guys can see, it shows 14 gigs. That means this is the USB drive, the USB flash drive which is installed in my computer. So I'm gonna just exit out from here, and I'm gonna show you I only have got one drive, which is the flash drive here. This Mac OS X is just a EFI partition. So as you guys can see, this is my computer. This is the drive which was connected to my computer, and I've taken this drive out, and there are no drives apart from this connected to my computer. As you guys can see, I am only working on a flash drive which is right here connected to my computer, and that's the only thing which is connected to my computer, and that's the unique kind of flash drive I've made there. So yeah, so there is no drives connected to my computer. This is the drive which was connected. So let's get back to the BIOS screen here. If I can just place my camera. Okay, so yeah, so no drives connected, and this is the only drive which is connected to my computer, which is a flash drive. Let's boot into the boot options again. I have restarted my computer, and I'm tapping F8 to enter the boot manager, the boot device options screen, if my camera can focus properly. This is the mobile device, guys, so just bear with me. So yeah, this Mac OS X is just a EFI partition, so I'm gonna have to reset my BIOS to get rid of this partition. So just don't get bothered by that, guys. It's just a dummy partition. It's not a drive. It's a flash drive, and boot from it. So I'm gonna press enter, and it's booting from the flash drive. As you guys can see, the flash drive is blinking. I'm going to show you. Yeah, it's the flash drive. It's a unique flash drive. As you guys can see, the flash drive was blinking, and it's not blinking now, but still, yeah, it's booting from the flash drive. I'm gonna put the flash drive down because it's, yeah, so you guys can see the shadow of the flash drive right here. So yeah, because if I show you guys a flash drive, my phone will not be able to focus properly on the screen, and it will get confused where exactly to focus. So guys, this process will take a little bit longer. I have done this earlier, and I've seen that this process takes a little bit longer than a normal setup. So it's basically going through a setup process again. It will ask you guys to give a username and a password to the operating system again. So this will happen only once if you guys are working on the same machine. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, we've got like setup is starting services written on the screen, and it's working on it. And this thing will take a little bit longer, so I'm gonna stop the recording and I'm gonna restart the recording once this thing gets over. This is the setup screen, and I tried waiting for a while to get this thing done, but it's taking really long. As you guys can see, it is still working on installing Windows. It's just a startup installation, and this is gonna take a while. So after this screen, it will be preparing your desktop for the first use, and then you guys will see the desktop screen. So guys, this is how you install Windows operating system in a flash drive, by the help of which you guys can work on your computer without hard drive. So still I don't have got any hard drives connected to my computer. It's just a flash drive which is connected to my PC, and it's working on it, and it will gonna give me a desktop screen. I think within like 10 to 15 minutes my desktop screen will be ready, and I will be able to work on my computer without a hard drive. So guys, that's how you boot your computer from the flash drive. So if you guys don't have the hard drive installed in your computer, you guys can still work directly from the flash drive. You can just plug in the flash drive and boot directly from the flash drive and start working on Windows operating system directly. So that's it guys. I appreciate all of you guys joining me in this video. I really appreciate you guys coming on my channel, checking out this video. If you guys like this video, please click on thumbs up button down there. If you guys want to get notifications about my new videos, please do subscribe to my channel, Adams8908. I make new videos every week, so please stay tuned for my upcoming videos. Thanks a lot guys for watching again. I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.